And on top, a thin slice of melted cheese.
Where's my watch?
It's there.
No, it's not.
Have you looked?
Yes, I fucking look. What the fuck do you think I'm doing? You sure you got it?
Yes, bedside table drawer.
On the little kangaroo?
Yes, it was on your little kangaroo.
Yeah, well, it's not here now.
Well, it should be.
Yes, it most definitely should be, but it's not here now. So where the fuck is it? Fabian, it's my father's fucking watch. You have any idea what he had to go through to get me that watch? I don't have time to go into it, but he went through a lot. Now, all this other shit you could set on fire, but I specifically reminded you not to forget the fucking watch! Now think. Did you get it?
I believe so.
You believe so? What the fuck does that mean? You either did or you didn't get it!
Then I did.
Are you sure?